Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to copy and paste on your HP Pavilion 16 laptop. First of all, let me open a Notepad application to show you how to operate with text on this laptop. So let's enter some sample text in here. And now, in order to copy it, you're going to have to select the text or part of the text and then either right-click and select copy to copy, or right-click and select cut if you want to cut out the part of the text. And if you want to paste it, right-click and select paste. Otherwise, we can also select the text and click Ctrl+C, combination of keys. So let me show it to you. Ctrl+C to copy, Ctrl+X to cut it out, and Ctrl+V to paste it. And you can also use the clipboard if you want to paste if you want to have a clipboard for with several clips of text or different parts of the text. And to enable the clipboard, you're going to have to press Windows+V combination of keys. And then in this window, select Turn On to turn on the clipboard. Then you can copy different parts of the text. And then by pressing Windows+V, you'll be able to choose which one you want to paste. And then just click on the one that you want to paste. And it will be pasted. And that's basically how we do it with text. Now let me show you how to work with files and folders. Let's go to File Explorer and let's open Videos folder, for example. Here in Screen Recordings folder, we have one file, a screen recording that we made, now to copy it from here, you can either select it and then click Copy, or if you want to cut it out, you can use Cut icon. To paste it, click Paste. So for example, and of course the shortcuts also apply, so we can use Ctrl+C or Ctrl+X and then go to a different directory and paste it using Ctrl+V. And then if we return to screen recordings, we will not find this file here because it was transferred here. But if we copy this file and paste it into the screen recordings folder, now we'll have two files, so one in the videos folder and one in screen recordings folder. And that's basically how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.